but it in neither one of the candle, not even a single candle closed below the bearish candle that has formed after 9:30. So from there at 9:30 the the rally has started. So from there it almost went till 26,187. So we took a trade near 10:15 a.m. So after 10:15 we got a confirmation when the 10:15 candle has closed above 26,016. So we took a trade here at the money call. So 26,000 call we have implemented a buy. So from here at 134 rupees we bought a trade at 134. Then we have exited with 1 is to, we put a loss of 134, right? Yeah, with 30 points of stop loss we made 50 points, 50 to 54 points of profit. So that is almost with since it was a 65 quantity lot, so we made almost 3,500 per lot.